Now we learn some shortcuts about terminal in VS Code, how to show hide terminal, how to clear terminal, how to open multiple terminals, and how to open multiple terminals in the same tab, move between terminals, kill terminal, resize terminal, and kill terminal process. Well, this one is also very important actually, so let's make it green. Overall, like, show hide terminal is just very important. Clear terminal is important. Resize is important, not that much. Kill terminal is important. So let's start with show hide terminal. So it's control tilde, and tilde is like by the number one. It's this sign. If I could write it, yeah, so that's tilde. So to show terminal is control tilde, to hide terminal is control tilde. And if you have terminal open but your focus is on your editor somewhere else, you can just do control tilde to get back to the terminal. Now let's say we write something in terminal. This is just a test, some test. How do we clear it? Well, just clear. So this is one way. Another way is to do Command K. Maybe it's Control K in Windows, I'm not sure, but those two ways we clear terminal. To open multiple terminals, Control Shift tilde. So now we have this terminal first and we have this terminal second. But Control Shift 5 is to open multiple terminals in the same tab. Let's say we remove this, open terminal, Control Shift 5. So we see a terminal here and a terminal here. This is first, this is second. To kill terminal, we do just exit. Now this exits in the process. To resize terminal is Command, Control, and arrow keys. Okay, let's focus on the terminal. Command, Control, arrow keys. So up arrow makes it bigger, down arrow makes it smaller. That's to resize terminal. To kill a process is Control C. We don't have any process running now, but when you start a process like npm run dev or something, you could kill terminal with Control C. To move between terminals, let's say this is second terminal, we do Command Shift, then square brackets, opening and closing, up and down. Command Shift, square brackets. That's all for terminal. It's a very important tool. So show hide is important, clear is important, resize is important. Killing a terminal process is very important. The others, opening multiple terminals, things like that, multiple terminals in the same tab, moving between terminals, like they're marginal but still important if you have many processes. Thanks.